Have you ever wanted to do pixel art but struggled with getting your software set up? I know I did. Today, I'll be showing you how to set up a free program called Gimp so you can start your next pixel art project. What's up everybody, Rochelle here. I'll be telling you what pixel art is, what Gimp is, and how to set up Gimp. I will be explaining what pixel art is, but if you'd like to skip to another section, you can click on one of the cards on the screen now, or click on one of the links in the description. Alright, so what is pixel art? Pixel art is a form of digital art created from the use of graphic software where images are edited on the pixel level. Graphics in most old or relatively limited computers, consoles, graphing calculators, and mobile games are mostly pixel art. Now, what is Gimp? So Gimp is a free software that can be used for digital art such as photo editing and pixel art. It is basically free Photoshop and would do anything you need to get started in pixel art. To download Gimp, you can click on the link here or click the link in the description. Once you've downloaded Gimp, you can double click on the executable and just follow the prompts to install it. If for some reason your firewall gives you this error message, just run it anyways. It's not a virus, you guys have nothing to worry about. Just continue to follow the prompts on screen and you'll have Gimp installed in no time. Now that you have Gimp installed, let me show you the settings you need to change to optimize your pixel arting experience. The first thing you want to do is click on the pencil. It's important to use the pencil tool rather than the paintbrush because the pencil tool colors the pixel that you've selected completely rather than adding any unwanted fading effects that the paintbrush does. You're going to want to select the square brush and change the size to 1. Some helpful hotkeys for the pencil tool are N to select the tool and the square brackets to change the size of the brush. Next, you're going to want to set up the eraser. Click on the eraser icon or press Shift E to select the eraser. Check the checkbox next to Hard Edge. This will allow you to erase in a single click rather than gradually erasing over time. To make sure we set this up properly, we click N to select the pencil and make a dot. Then we click Shift E for the eraser and click that dot again, and it should be completely erased. If that didn't happen for you, make sure you go back to the previous steps and set it up correctly. If you don't want to configure the grid, then you can go ahead and click on this card on the screen, or click on the link below to skip ahead to the outro. So first, we want to show the grid. Now to show the grid, you're going to go ahead and click View, and then you're going to click Show Grid. Now you should see a grid, and you'll notice one thing is that the grid's too big. You know, you put your mouse in there, and you can just tell that this is not 1 pixel by 1 pixel. So you're going to have to configure the grid by going to Image and Configure Grid. Now, when you click Configure Grid, you can see that the width and the height are set to 10. That's not what we want. We want to change 10 to be 1, so that it'll be 1 pixel by 1 pixel. And there you go. Now you're done. So, to test everything set up properly, we click N for the pencil, and you click anywhere on the screen. And you should notice that that pencil completely fills up that spot on the grid. If so, that's perfect. Now we'll press Shift E to erase, and we can click on that dot again, and it should erase. And now you're all set up. So, for if any reason you'd like to not show the grid, then you can always just click View and uncheck the Show Grid option. Alright guys, this marks the end of my pixel art setup tutorial. If you thought this was helpful, please like my video. And if you run into any problems or have any suggestions for new tutorials I should make, please leave a comment below. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.